Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wood chippers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to clean up your yard, create mulch, or tackle some DIY landscaping projects, these wood chippers offer a range of options for every budget and need. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Towable Wood Chipper/Shredder. This heavy-duty machine is designed for those who need serious chipping power at home. With a robust 420cc engine and the ability to handle branches up to 5 inches in diameter, this chipper is perfect for larger properties or more demanding yard work. Its towable design makes it easy to transport, which is a big plus if you need to cover a lot of ground. The build quality on this chipper is exceptional, with a sturdy frame and a powerful engine that ensures consistent performance. However, the lack of a listed price and limited product details make it harder to determine its overall value compared to other options. It's also worth noting that this product may be overkill for smaller yards or light-duty use. The Towable Wood Chipper Shredder is ideal for property owners tackling large-scale cleanups or those dealing with heavy, thick branches. While its power and capacity are impressive, its lack of pricing transparency and additional specs earn it the 5th spot on our list. Pros include high capacity and towable convenience, while cons are the unknown price and potentially excessive capability for smaller jobs. Coming in at number 4, we have the 1.7-inch 15-amp corded electric mulcher chipper shredder. This compact and affordable option is designed for light to moderate yard work. It features a 15-amp motor, capable of handling branches and twigs up to 1.7 inches in diameter, and includes a 12-gallon collection bag for easy cleanup. The design is straightforward and user-friendly, with a focus on safety and portability. While the build quality is decent, the product feels a bit more lightweight compared to higher-end models, which might affect its performance with tougher jobs. It's a great choice for homeowners with smaller yards or minimal chipping needs. However, the lack of brand recognition and limited customer reviews might make some buyers hesitant. This model strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it a good pick for casual users. Pros include its budget-friendly price and ease of use, while cons are its limited capacity and unknown long-term durability. At number 3, we have the FD1503 Electric Wood Chipper Shredder. This mid-range option offers a solid 15-amp motor with the ability to handle branches up to 1.8 inches in diameter. Its 14:1 reduction ratio ensures that your yard waste is transformed into fine mulch, making it an excellent choice for composting. The design is compact and functional, though it lacks some of the premium features found in higher-end models, such as a collection bin or advanced safety mechanisms. Build quality is satisfactory, and the unit feels durable enough for regular use. However, with just one product image and limited brand information, there's a bit of a question mark around its long-term reliability. This chipper is a great option for homeowners seeking a balance between price and performance. It's versatile enough for a variety of yard cleanup tasks and comes at a reasonable price. Pros include its powerful reduction ratio and decent cutting capacity, while cons are its lack of advanced features and limited brand reputation. The runner-up on our list is the 4119 Electric Wood Chipper and Shredder by Wen. As the most affordable option in our lineup, this chipper offers a lot of value for its price. It features a 15-amp motor capable of shredding branches up to 1.75 inches in diameter and operates at an impressive 8,000 cuts per minute. The included collection bag and onboard push stick add convenience to the overall user experience. The build quality is solid for the price, and the unit is lightweight and easy to maneuver. However, being a budget option, it may struggle with denser wood or prolonged use. That said, it's perfect for small to medium-sized yards and light-duty tasks. Its internal safety mechanism, which prevents startups when the hopper is open, is a nice touch at this price point. Pros include its unbeatable price, lightweight design, and safety features. The only real drawbacks are its limited power for larger tasks and slightly noisier operation. Overall, It's a fantastic budget-friendly choice for casual users. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Earthwise GS7015 15-amp garden-corded electric chipper. This premium chipper is packed with features that make it stand out from the competition. With a powerful 15-amp motor, it can handle branches and sticks up to 1.75 inches thick, making it suitable for a wide range of yard work. The included 1.2 bushel collection bin ensures easy cleanup, and the durable back wheels make it highly portable. The design and build quality are top-notch, with safety features like a tamper tool to keep your hands away from the chute. Its fine reduction ratio is great for creating nutrient-rich mulch for composting, adding an eco-friendly element to your yard maintenance routine. While it's on the pricier side, the performance and convenience it offers justify the cost. Ideal for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts who want a reliable, high-performing chipper, the Earthwise GS7015 is hard to beat. Pros include its excellent build quality, powerful motor, and user-friendly features. The only real con is its higher price tag, but for those who need premium performance, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right wood chipper for your needs. If you enjoyed this content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.